Hi guys, Temptation 2003 here with you, and it's official. I decided to buy a four-wheeler. I've been wanting one for quite a while. I used to have one. Used to have a 2001 Sportsman 500 Ducks Unlimited edition with Goodyear Mudrunner tires, 26-inch. Pretty decent tires for back then for what they had out. But then I sold that, got my dirt bike, and I rode my dirt bike all the time, didn't use the four-wheeler. But I kind of wish I had kept the four-wheeler, like honestly, because that was it was really fun just for riding around, going partridge hunting in the fall, stuff like that. So anyways, I've been looking at the Can-Am Outlander XMR 1000, roughly about $14,000, very expensive, or something different. I wasn't sure what to get, so I was down in Panama on summer vacation, just relaxing, just enjoying life, and browsing the internet, and all of a sudden I stumbled across a four-wheeler fairly close to home, a few hours, about 3 hours away, and I couldn't pass it up. Only had 800 miles on it, came with a plow, everything was in excellent condition, and the price was right. So I picked it up and bought a couple accessories for it, and I'll show you. Let's take a look, shall we? Well guys, this is what I ended up with. It's a, not sure if you know what it is or not, but this is a 2003 Polaris Sportsman 500 Remington Special Edition. It's a 500 HO. It's not the big 1000cc motor, but what I ended up figuring was for total investment, say saving myself 10-11 grand, just about 11 grand. A lot cheaper to go this way and use the money for something else. So I could have went with the Outlander XMR, but money saving wise, a lot smarter investment doing this. Now it didn't come with these tires on it, it just came with the stock tires, which I'll go grab one and show you. Alright, so here was the stock one, and the tread depth was pretty decent, but not like on these Sedona Mudda Inlaws. These buggers have just ridiculous amount of tread on them. They're a good 1.75 inches up here, and they're just about 2 inch down on they're a full 2 inch on your side lug here. So a really beefy tire. And they actually, they smooth out pretty good once you get going over like 5 miles an hour. These buggers smooth right on out. So you can tell that's a major difference in tires we're going from here. I was stock on the left to aftermarket on the right. I just wanted something that'd grab better when you're plowing snow and stuff, or even if you're out slowly off-roading down some trails, you should grab one heck of a lot better. So this was what was on it, and right away before I even got the wheeler I ordered a set of tires and rims. So you may be wondering what kind of tires are on here. These are Sedona Mudda Inlaws. So technically, a lot of people just say Sedona Mudda Inlaws, but they're actually M-U-D-D-A, Mudda Inlaws. And these are 28 by 10 by 14s, front and back. I wish they made a 12-inch wide in the back, but they don't, so just went with them. Wheels are STI, I don't remember which one, sorry guys, but they're the gloss black ones. STI something or other. And the only thing I didn't like was the center caps did not fit the front hubs on this older Polaris. I called up the place I ordered them from, asked if they had a deeper one. They thought they did, but when I got that didn't fit either. So if any of you guys out there have STI caps like this that will fit a 03 Sportsman 500, please let me know. Contact me on YouTube, whatever. I would definitely like a set that'll actually fit that front hub. But otherwise, yeah, haven't done a clutch kit yet to it. Turns it over plenty good in low range. High range will turn them over. And I plowed in high range a little bit, just going down a straight road, a straight gravel road. But I'm thinking maybe this summer or next fall I might throw a clutch kit in it just to help out a little bit as far as belt slipping or anything like that, just to give me a little more oomph. Overall decision why I went with a 500 versus a 1000. 1000 would be nice for horsepower, but these old carbureted 500s, they start up great even in the cold in Minnesota here, where it's 20 below zero. I just go out, pull the choke, hit the key, or pull the recoil if you need to, whichever one. Usually it's hit the key, but it'll fire up right away. So these buggers like the cold weather, it seems like. Some of the newer carbureted ones I heard, they don't start very good in cold weather. So that was one issue. Granted, the Can-Am EFI, that should start in any weather. But mostly a money-saving thing, and what I really needed it for. All I needed was something to plow the yard, plow the driveway, plow up snowbanks, and go partridge hunting, do a little bit of off-roading. Not much, but just more or less small amount of trail riding. But this is pretty much just going to be a work machine, and that's why I threw on the big tires too. So came with the winch, came with the snowplow, so I couldn't beat it. It was a package deal. All it needed was tires and rims and a 2-inch lift kit. Put a 2-inch Highlifter lift kit in here too, thanks to my good buddies. Thank you, and shout out to them. That was a little harder than we expected, but we got her anyway. So yeah, this is my new wheeler, my new ride. You guys are probably tired of listening to me talk, but I'll get you a close-up of comparison of the tires here and the clearance too. I gotta talk about the clearance on here. Alright, and clearance on this bugger that I wanted to talk about. This thing has 17.5 inches of clearance at the back hitch. So underneath, probably lose, I'm gonna say an inch maybe underneath. But you're at 17.5 at the back. I mean, this bugger has a lot of clearance. I got the snowplow bracket on under there too, so that's gonna drop it down a little. But if you add that off, yeah, bugger has amazing clearance on it. The factory Can-Am Outlander 1000 that has 30-inch tires, so 2-inch bigger tires, only has like 13, maybe 13.5 inches of clearance. So I'm running 2-inch smaller tires, and I got 4 inches more clearance than what the Can-Am 1000 would. So that to me that's impressive right there, even though this is only a little old 500, but that's still really impressive. Here's your lift kit that you can see. I got it on my other video, the install and everything. Your bracket up top, mounting plate, and then new spacers. But that's my new machine. Hope you guys like it. Maybe I'll get some video going playing around here a little bit. Stay tuned, favorite, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.